If you're new to Fiverr and want to use it on your mobile phone, this video is for you. Fiverr has an official mobile app that allows you to browse services, manage orders, chat with clients, and track your earnings directly from your smartphone. In this video, I'll show you how beginners can use the Fiverr app on a mobile phone. First, open the App Store on your phone. If you're using an Android phone, open the Google Play Store. If you're using an iPhone, open the Apple App Store. In the search bar, type Fiverr and look for the official Fiverr app. Make sure it's published by Fiverr International Limited. Once you find it, tap on Install and wait for the app to download and install on your phone. After the installation is complete, open the Fiverr app. On the welcome screen, you can either sign in or create a new account. If you already have a Fiverr account, tap on Sign In and log in using your email, Google account, or Apple ID. If you're new, you can create an account directly from the app by following the on-screen steps. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the Fiverr home screen. At the bottom of the app, you'll see navigation tabs that help you move around easily. You can browse services by categories, search for specific gigs, and save services you like. If you're a buyer, you can place orders, communicate with sellers, and track your order progress directly from the app. If you're a seller, tap on the menu icon to access your seller dashboard. From here, you can check messages, respond to buyers, manage orders, view your earnings, and get notifications in real time. This makes it much easier to stay active and reply quickly, even when you're not on a computer. To send or receive messages, tap on the inbox icon. You can chat with clients, send files, and receive order updates. Make sure notifications are enabled so you don't miss important messages or deadlines. You can also manage your profile from the app. Tap on your profile icon to update your profile details, manage your gigs, check reviews, and adjust basic account settings. While some advanced settings are easier to manage on a computer, the mobile app covers most daily tasks. Before you go, one quick tip. If you're using Fiverr on public Wi-Fi or mobile data, keeping your connection secure is important. That's why I recommend NordVPN. It helps protect your data and keeps your online activity private. You can try NordVPN at a great price by clicking the link in the description.